brothers. Alrighty, let's get started with this hat. Right about here, we're gonna have Mario jumping up and giving us a hey-ho. Just like there. There's the top of his cap, right about there. Bring that on like that. Just like that. That looks good. And underneath here, we can draw some eyebrows. Another eyebrow over here. Very nice. Let's give Mario a big old nose. Right about here like that. I like that, that's good. We'll have his eyes peeking out from under those big nose he's got. With his lovely eyes like this. And a bit of a highlight here like that, and we can color it in like that. That's nice. Alright, let's do the same on the other side. That's a nice looking eye right about there. There we go. Do the same over here with this eye. Bring that like that and a bit of a highlight here. And color it in like that. All black like. Alright, now let's give Mario a bit of a mustache here. Just like that. And like that. Give it a bit of a whirly-woo here. That looks nice. And let's give Mario a big old smile. He likes to smile, doesn't he? He's Mario after all. There's his teeth. And a bit of a tongue. Like that. There's his chin. All right. And here's the bottom of his face right about here. And we're gonna bring his arm on up like this. Just like that. You got that? Round that on off. Bring the arm back down like that. And this will be his glove. Mario's got funny gloves he likes to wear. Let's give him a bit of a fist pumping bit here. Right about here. Mario's got 4 fingers. And a thumb. Just like that. Round that end like that. That. And that. Give him a palm right about there. And we're looking good. Now we can finish his hat off here like this. Up like that. Come all the way around like that. And then we can give him an ear here. Just like this. And then we can finish his face on down like that. Mario's looking good, everybody. Do the inside of his ear, just like that. And bring his hat up to meet the peak of his cap. Finish that off like that. A little swirly bit there, that's nice. And let's draw the M for Mario. M, right there. Up, down, like that. And I believe it's in a bit of a circle, isn't it? Just like that. All right, Mario's starting to look pretty good here. Now we can draw his overalls. Let's draw the overalls starting right about here. Right there, like that. With a big button. Another one down here like this. Another button. Looking good. Bring the top of the overalls like that. Let's bring this down like this. Attach the arm to it. Give him a bit of a belly. I think Mario's got a bit of a belly. Maybe not much, but it's there. There's the end of his pant leg like that. And we'll bring it on up like that. There we go, around the bum area. And bring up his knee here like this. We'll have him kicking as if he's hopping over all some weird stuff like he does in his video games. Let's bring the other leg bit down like that. And now we've got a foot to look at. That's right about there like that. Do some swirly swoos. And bring in a sole up like that. That's looking nice. Bring a bit of a cuff here like that. And his soul down like that. Beautiful, everybody. Looking good. Couple of lines here to meet everything together. Very nice. And over here will be his other foot. Just like that. And up like that. Oh, I like it, everybody. And now we can bring his last arm down here like this. As if he's ready to pump up. Pump it on up like this. There we go. There's his glove bit right about here. Another thumb right about here. And then we can draw a fist right here, just like this. That, and that. Looking nice, everybody. Complete the fingers down like that. Oh, I like it. Bit of a palm. And all we gotta do is add his belly in like that. We're looking good. I think we're done. It's Super Mario. Let's get to the color. Super Mario has light skin, blue overalls and eyes, a red shirt, tongue and hat, brown shoes and mustache, yellow buttons. Thanks, everyone.